Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. If you're looking to beef up your website security using cPanel, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through some key steps to protect your site from threats and keep your data safe. And don't worry, I'll keep things simple and easy to follow, even when you're not a tech pro. Step 1. Use strong passwords. First things first, let's talk about passwords. Now, I know we all hate remembering complicated passwords, but using a strong password is absolutely essential. Weak passwords are like leaving the front door of your house unlocked. Here's a quick tip. cPanel has a built-in password generator that can create super secure complex passwords for you. To access it, just log into your cPanel, go to the Preferences section and click on Password and Security. From there, you can use the generator to create a password that's hard to crack. It's always a good idea to update your passwords regularly. Every few months is a good practice. Step 2. Enable Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Alright, moving on to step 2, adding an extra layer of security with Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This feature is great because it makes sure that even if someone somehow gets hold of your password, they can't log in without a second piece of verification, usually from your phone. To set up 2FA in cPanel, it's super simple. Just log into your cPanel, head over to the Security section and find Two-Factor Authentication. Follow the steps to link your phone by scanning a QR code using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Once it's set up, every time you log in, you'll get a code on your phone that you need to enter. It's that easy, and it gives your website an extra layer of protection. Step 3. Block suspicious IP addresses. Next up, you might want to block specific IP addresses. This is useful if you notice strange activity coming from certain locations or if you're getting spammed by bots. You can block those IPs directly in cPanel. To do this, log into your cPanel and go to the Security section. Click on IP Blocker, and from there you can type in the IP address you want to block. Once you hit Add, that IP won't be able to access your site. It's a quick and simple way to stop unwanted visitors in their tracks. Step 4. Set proper file permissions. Now, let's talk about securing your files. Every file and folder on your site has permissions that control who can read, write, or execute them. It's important to make sure these permissions are set correctly so that unauthorized people can't mess with your files. To check and change file permissions, open up the File Manager in cPanel. Find the file or folder you want to protect, right-click on it, and choose Change Permissions. For files, the safest setting is usually 644, and for folders, it's 755. Just make sure you avoid setting permissions to 777, as it gives everyone complete access, including potential hackers. Step 5. Install an SSL certificate. Last but not least, you'll want to install an SSL certificate to encrypt data between your website and its visitors. You've probably seen websites with a little padlock in the address bar. This means they're using SSL and keeping things secure. To set this up in cPanel, go to the Security section and click on SSL TLS. If your hosting provider offers free SSL certificates, you can install it right there. Otherwise, you might need to purchase one and upload it. Once installed, your website will be accessible via HTTPS, which means all communication between your site and users is encrypted. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to enhance your website security using cPanel. Remember, online security is crucial in today's world, so take these steps seriously and protect your hard work. If you found this helpful, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your website with cPanel. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy, and I'll catch you in the next one.